tomato there. It's tomato. There too. And this is the beans. It's the cucumber. And this is the silly. Look at that. It's so big. Almost have red now. And have here. This there. I put a small wood so that it not fall down. Look at that. So big. Hot pepper. Yes, good this for salsa. And there's my green onion. I want to show you my garden here, guys. It will look like. And there is. That's my okra. We'll have a big okra now. Like it's ready to cook. And have other there. And this is asparagus. So small. Get for make big. And this bell pepper. And this is corn. Look at this corn here. Some is small, some is big. And this is red onion. Maybe we try this to cut. Look like stone yan. There. Maybe this is ready. Like this. I cannot tell if ready or not. This. Okay, let me see. Oh, looks like ready now. Okay, we get that. And there too. Maybe have 4 to get this today. Maybe some is next time. Because not all is ready. Some is so young. Okay, just put this here. I get the corn now. And this is the carrots. That's the carrots there. And this my corn is ready to cook for dinner. This here have 5. I get 5 for dinner. There you go. Cut now. husband, he like corn that is young, not so hard, like a soft corn. It's a white corn. See? Maybe I get other one so that 6. Maybe I get this one, this really nice. Try this. There you go. Look at that, my corn here. Put in the plastic. Does not make dirty dirt. Yes. And ready to cook. Okay guys, I get the garbage belt to throw my garbage here. It's 8 o'clock, still light up. Okay, get the garbage now. Okay, it's done now. It's ready to cook my corn. Apple tree. This is here. That is bigger now. Nice apple because it's red delicious. So sweet. There you go. Okay, go inside and cook the corn. Okay.
Hi guys, I have this from McDonald's. You have to do this, the maze.
Let me see. What's your toys there?
Mario.
Wow. Look at
I
that.
made it!
Wow, you made it, RJ. You know how to play that?
Yeah,
Wow, it's nice, RJ. Look.
each baby have to go like that. That got captured by monster.
You're
Yeah.
playing RJ, the toys of McDonald's. What's it called that, RJ?
Mario, Super Mario.
Super Mario. Wow.
Here we go again. Yeah! There's usually, I'm almost there still. Yay!
Hey, say bye-bye, RJ.
That was funny.
Bye.